Are you facing a block to protect your device during any app installation from your file manager? This happens because Google thinks this app might access your sensitive data. If you think the app is safe, then you can install it by following my video. To fix the problem, first open your Play Store. Now tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Here tap on Play Protect option. From this page, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. From here, turn off the scan apps with Play Protect. By turning off this Play Protect, you can install the app. From here, make sure to tap on pause. If you tap on pause, the Play Protect will automatically turn on after 24 hours. If you cannot turn off the Play Protect, just restart your device once, then turn it off. Now you can install the app. That's how you can fix this error. If this video helped you out, consider liking and subscribing the channel. Thank you.